Alright everyone, for this demonstration I am the Jim Wells County Coordinator and I've been given a set of XY coordinates to be finding a structure that needs addressing. First step in this process is to go up to the toolbar and locate the Go to XY tool. I'm going to click on this tool and enter in my lat long coordinates. Once I've entered my lat long coordinates, I'm going to select enter, which will center the structure to my map. Now, as you can see, we are very far zoomed out. So I'm going to go up to the toolbar once again, and I'm going to change the map scale to 1 to 1000. Now that we have located our structure, we're going to add a point, which is on the XY tile. Now, once we have added our point for reference purposes, we can then scroll out and look for our RCL that is adjacent to the structure or the structure's entrance. So we're going to keep zooming out. Now, as you can see, FM 625 is going to be the closest RCL to our structure. Now, the next step in this process is to measure the RCL according to the range. So for this process, I'm going to go up and select the feature which is my RCL. And you can see. After that, I'm going to go up and select the measure tool. Now I'm going to measure a feature, which is going to be the line feature. It begins at the intersection between County Road 129 and 625. And I'm going to ensure that I am on the RCL. Once selected, I'm going to go up and see that the length is 4320. And with this information, I'm going to go up to the range calculator and input it in the 50-foot interval addressing. Now it's asking me for the initial range on the same side of the street. So we can see that on the right side it is 455. Now the new address that it is giving me is 627. We can see that that is the highest address on that feature. If you look down on the highest number on the feature, it's actually 799, which is not nearly close to the range that I was looking at. So the next thing I'm going to do is check 25-foot interval addressing. I'm going to enter the length again. And I'm going to see that I am much closer to the address point which should be given. After this, I'm going to scroll up to the taskbar and find the address locator. I'm going to ensure that I am under the RCL create address locator on the far left drop down menu, and I'm going to select the address inspector. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to left click close to the structure and hold that click, and I'm going to scroll to the RCL until it starts populating addresses. You can see it's starting to populate addresses. Now I'm going to pan or scroll closer to the structure's entrance. I can see that it's getting closer to that 801 that I was given. Now, since it is near an intersection, it's going to be a little jumpy. And as a county coordinator, it is my duty to make the judgment call between 799 and 801 as the address point. I'm then going to go up and enter the address point that I've selected, which would be 799. I'm going to remember to put the city's name, and there you go. It is giving me the address of 799. Thank you.